Would you rather pay $400 a night or 18,000 credit card points for a last minute hotel stay? Well, a friend of mine was able to save $400 by learning this simple travel tip from me. I'm gonna show you step by step how to transfer your Chase Ultimate Reward points into a transfer partner's loyalty program in less than 75 seconds. I'm gonna show you on both desktop and mobile side by side. Let's start the clock. Step 1, you need an account with your transfer partner loyalty program. So for this example, we're using World of Hyatt. So go to world.hyatt.com and you'll go to join World of Hyatt, click the join now. Since I already have an account, I'm gonna use a fake account. Step 2, now that you've created an account for your transfer partner, we're now going to log on to chase.com. Log on to your Chase credit card from your Chase Freedom, click your credit card and then go to redeem here. This will bring you to the Ultimate Rewards point program. I'm gonna select the Chase Sapphire Preferred, which is my card that allows me to transfer points to my transfer partners. Go to the top left, scroll all the way down to transfer to travel partners. You can select on airlines and hotels, and at the top you'll even see a list of bonus offers. Scroll all the way down to World of Hyatt, which is I'm currently enrolled in. Click, you'll read all the program details, how long it'll take. Officially, it may take up to 7 business days. From my personal experience, it's an instantaneous transfer. Transfer points, please enter your World of Hyatt account number and then click next. Enter the number of points that you want. At a minimum, you must transfer 1,000 points. Click next, go to the review page and then you click submit. And the last and final step, let's make sure that the points arrived. Go to World of Hyatt. If you go to your account page, you should see the new points posted. There are 3 important points to remember. 1, if you convert your point from a Chase Ultimate Reward point to another transfer partner, it will convert into the partner's loyalty reward point system. Number 2, transfers are one way and there's no undo button. Number 3, you must have one of these 3 cards in order to have this ability to transfer from the Chase ecosystem into a transfer partner. If you're ever needing a last minute hotel, transferring to a hotel partner from Chase is a great way to save money. If this video was useful to you, can you please click the like and subscribe button? This will help the channel grow and reach more families, travel more for less. And if you're interested in travel hacking and using points to travel more with your family, check out this next video.